Hey, Delonte Peterson here with Independent Capital Group here at the Banks Avenue project. We're about a week away from wrapping this up, and it's came a long way from the time we started when it was just full of trash everywhere. Couldn't even see the floors in some of the rooms, and now we're about done finishing up the flooring. Little odds and ends, the last minute stuff to come up when you're doing these houses. So another week we should be out of here, get everything cleaned up and ready for the tenants to move in. Everything's freshly painted. Tomorrow the electricians should come in, if not today, switch out all the outlets, put new cover plates on the HVAC registers, on the HVAC vents. And we do that for one, it gives the paint, it makes the paint job look much better when you got bright white outlets and bright white HVAC covers. And even if you don't get new HVAC coverage, you can actually spray paint them yourself if you don't want to spend the money on new covers. So that's a trick that you can use, and nobody will know, and it still look brand new. So it's a little cost-saving trick. This is the master bedroom. Floors are going in. Tomorrow we have tile, shower, clothing, vanity, lights, and everything else that so we can complete it. So the common bathroom, Jay just finishing up the plumbing now, put the lights up. We're gonna actually take that window out and put like a transom in. That's just a sheet of glass that just allows light to come in. It won't be functional where you can't open it. Work. So the windows are in. Wait on the windows coming from the master bedroom. Ceiling fans in the 2 bedrooms downstairs because the ceilings are high enough. For the upstairs, we're just gonna have a dome light because the ceilings are a little bit lower. So tomorrow we're gonna get all of our equipment and supplies out of here that we don't need here anymore, that we can take to the next project and get them, have them out of the way. Kitchen cabinets turned down, very nice with the gray color paint and the countertops, new countertops. Nice backsplash. So it won't require a lot of time because how big the window is. It's not going to require a lot of time to actually do that backsplash. So. And tomorrow we'll also start prepping hardwood floors so we can clean it, prep it, and get it ready for sanding. You want to make sure you get all the nails since carpet was down here before, and anything else off the floor because you don't want to damage your sanding machine because that could become very expensive. And again, we're going to get all the stuff out here tomorrow so the floors will be clean so we can get ready to prep the floors. And, you know, you can imagine 6 weeks ago, the first video I did out here, it was trash all over the place. There were clothes and it looked like somebody just moved out in a hurry and left all their belongings, or somebody passed away. So, and we came this far in 6 weeks, and this is a Section 8 property, and we've already got a tenant lined up. You know, she dropped off her RTA, the request for tenant approval, 2 days ago. And she's ready to move in. I mean, when we get these properties ready, about a week or 2 before, and we doing these Facebook videos, we got people actually calling and coming by to see the properties because in Metro Atlanta, at least, I know that there's such a need for these types of properties because there's not enough. You know, there's a backlog of folks looking for properties, and there's not enough properties to fulfill the demand. That as soon as you get one of these properties ready, you know, people are anxious to move, you know, because people are moving for different situations. Some people are moving because they hate their landlord. The landlord's a slumlord. Some people are moving because they may have had another kid, the place they're at, they need another bedroom, and Section 8 requires that you have to be in a place with the correct number of bedrooms. You know, and some people are just getting a new voucher. So they need a place, and you only have a certain time frame to actually find a place. So it's different situations for different people. But however it is, we've been fortunate that every time we got the property ready, we have people ready and lined up to move in. And one reason is because we do a quality job. And if they're coming from a place already that they're landlord hadn't been taking care of the property, and they come and see what we got, you know, it's probably a much better, higher standard of a property than they're coming from. So it's a no-brainer for them. They're ready to go. But that's where we are. So until next time, bye.